Three, two,
Alright,
ready?
now let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my vlog, guys. Welcome to my vlog. I am the masters of the masters. And these are
Guys,
my bows.
I'm
This is my bow,
freaking out right
skeleton
now.
maturity. And this is my other
See ya.
bow. Yeah.
Don't,
We're going to a
don't
vlog to
look.
shoot. Doesn't get past the
Don't
spot. So yeah.
look.
10 seconds. So ako na mo, no? Yep. Yep. We did.
I'm staying behind you all.
Yeah, he's not a coward. He's just like. He's
No.
just a
I'm
kid.
staying over here.
I know you're not a coward. I know he's a kid.
As soon as you
I'm
hear his noise,
scared.
as soon
I'm
as you
getting-
hear the noise of him,
I'm
run.
taking my setup off. So what?
What?
I just saw his eyeball.
Then
Well, where was he?
He was like looking at me, and I'm like, I
Like
ran.
this way?
Like I ran. No, ow.
yeah, it's kind of
Guys.
hard to do this because I think
I don't want to go.
Oh, no,
Go,
no,
go,
no!
one more left, 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 one more fucking left, one more fucking left, one more fucking left. Guys, I'm sorry for my language. Yep.
Oh my god. Bro, is he still there?
I'm behind me. I'm over there.
If I hear that noise one more time, I'm not reviving you. That's a fucking mimic, bro. Bro, where's that fucking weapon? Bro. I'm never going to do it again, bitch.
Wait, I died again.
You died
Give me
to the
five
mimic.
minutes.
Okay, now
Guys,
we.
it doesn't, it's scarier
Like,
than it
every
looks.
time when I run from it, it just like comes very fast.
It's kind of hard to dodge, I'm not even gonna lie.
Guys, like my camera.
Holy cow!
Guys,
What?
guys, I'm
I
gonna
just
go,
saw-
I'm gonna go get an RPG and just shoot down there. Hopefully I kill it.
But I'm scared.
Bring the bomb too.
You guys just stay together.
Hey, skeleton, what do you have to say to the camera?
But I'm scared.
You have to say to the camera. I'm just saying camera.
I'm scared.
I'm gonna post this on YouTube if I have time to.
Okay, guys. We're right here, and we gotta be very careful by that giant monster. So,
Guys, I brought an RPG.
okay.
Oh,
Okay,
that's a
look,
bro. You just
let's go, let's
flexing, bro. You just flexing.
I'll stay back right here, okay? Bro, stay right here. You're gonna explode! Did you get him?
I shot down there, but I don't know if he died.
He did
Oh,
because he ran away. He went over
Yeah,
there.
he's dead. He's
Wait,
dead. He's
where?
dead. He's dead. He's dead. Let's go, guys. Fuck! Fuck!
I'm dead.
I'm going back for my. Oh my god.
Ow. Wait, there's ammo.
Look, guys, I'm
Why
getting
did
here.
nobody bring a flashlight? Wait, bro, stay here.
Oh,
stay
he's
here.
right there. He's camping. He is camping. I am not lying. I look down that hallway. I just see some two big, fat, creepy eyes.
I don't have a flashlight, bro. I don't think I'm even gonna
Wait,
see
what if it
anything.
comes over here?
Guys, I'm going back to get him.
Did he die? Dude,
I don't see his thing.
over there.
Any of you guys got a flashlight?
Guys, I'm gonna go grab a flashlight.
Yeah, me too. Why couldn't I got this? Okay.
Guys, I think I got a good.
Ah! That broke my eyes. Hey,
Good.
can I get a flashlight?
No. I'm scared.
Okay, fine.
Wait,
He's got
what if
light.
it's-
He's got light.
Wait, what if it's the track to light?
Oh, it's right
and it just
there.
goes-
It's right there.
How about you flash the light out of space?
Oh, that was enough.
Guys,
Just try it.
I'm gonna go grab an RPG. I'll be right back.
And I'll come
Okay.
with you.
I'm gonna go grab a flashlight. Wait, there it is. Whoop la 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 boy. Down, I'm gonna show you how it's done.
Oh yeah, I forgot RPG.
Still there.
How it's done.
Oh yes.
Alright.
Let's go, baby. Please.
Wait, where
I got
is he?
it, movie.
No, we're gonna go.
Wait, turn on the light. Holy cow, he's right there.
What are you talking about? I don't see anything.
I'm
No,
not
he's
lying.
over-
Fuck! He's only right there! I've got my fucking toilet, bitch!
I think he died.
I think
Uh,
so.
No, I saw him move.
Bro,
What?
that was so scary.
He went this way, he went that way, he went that way.
Wait, he went this way?
Oh, wait.
Wait, hold on,
Maybe.
stay here.
Yo, this kid screamed as soon as he heard a fart.
Wait, hold on.
Buddy.
Where's he at?
So good. I'm getting out of here. Oh, that was so scary, bitch. What do I look like? What the?
Well, now I can.
Going so
I'm getting a flashlight.
I got it.
Teleporter.
No.
Bro, you got this.
Guys, let's go back into it.
Dude, don't go. Wait for him.
Bro, take my teleport grenade. Take my teleport gun.
No, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it.
He's trying his best.
Bro, you're so cute.
Nice
bro, you're so
shot.
cute. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute.
Are you ready, boys?
Bro, why are your eyes so big?
Why is your eyes?
What do you mean?
Bro,
What do you
why are
mean?
your eyes like
Let me
where
look at
your
mirror.
ears?
Let me look at mirror. Let me look at my mirror. Let me look at the mirror.
Look at the mirror.
What the hell? Why is my head so big? Oh,
Oh, it's normal.
Oh my god. Dude. That was so funny. Okay. Wee.
what a beautiful day in
Wait,
Sewers.
hold on, guys,
What can
stay here.
possibly
Let
go
me check.
wrong?
Let me check.
Bro, we need the big flashlight. Why not?
Holy cow.
I don't see anything.
Holy jackpot.
Mimic. Mimic right there.
It's gone. Guys, it's gone.
Yeah, but the
Oh.
mimic is there.
Wait, hold
I
on.
forgot to bring a lightsaber. But who cares?
You go first. You have the flashlight. I'll stay.
Hey, stupid.
Oh my gosh.
What?
I just got flashed. Wait, I think it died.
Let's see if that's the truth.
Wait, how about I make this noise?
Oh,
Guys.
Daisy, Daisy.
Bro, stop doing that.
You have to do.
Ooh, I'm going. I don't care.
I'm
yeah.
crazy. For the love of
Yeah,
you. It's immune.
Before the edge.
My VR's gonna die. My VR's gonna die. No. What you? I just not do that. Oh, okay.
Okay. You're not going back in.
You guys did Pogo 16. Guys, my VR's
Big
gonna
ball.
die, so. Oh, God, it's a big one. You saw us.
Help me.
Oh, green light, red light.
Bro, it's red light, green light, not green light, red light.
Sound like green light, dude.
The same thing.
Don't move.
Yeah, bro.
Nice.
You stupid bitch. What is up, bitch?
Research points. I need some. I'm running out.
Here, I need some. Don't tell me what I forgot to spike from.
I got all three. Oh, I found.
Fuck, no.
And revive me.
Yeah, and,
Hey,
what
let me
happened
just kill
to
that sis.
Because that thing keeps killing. Wait, how about Bro, everyone come down.
I'm already down.
Hey guys,
Wait,
you're gonna have to use. I'm gonna use my thing. Oh, that's this. Okay.